What's the meaning of agglomeration? Agglomeration. 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 Agglomeration refers to the process of combining smaller units into a larger whole. It can refer to the physical clustering of people or objects as well as the economic clustering of businesses and industries in a particular region. The result of agglomeration can lead to increased efficiency, innovation, and productivity due to the benefits of economies of scale. It can also lead to the development of specialized expertise, improved infrastructure, and increased access to resources. However, it may also lead to negative effects such as traffic congestion, increased pollution, and higher living costs.